SL moniker has been in use for more than 7 decades and is considered a legend. This is why Mercedes is giving the SL a second chance when other convertibles in the lineup are being discontinued. The SLC and S-Class Convertibles are no longer produced, and rumors suggest that the C and E-Class Cabriolets may also be dismantled for a combined offering. However, the new SL is a whole different creature. It replaces the outgoing model in not only the company's lineup, but also the GT Roadster. So what features does this new SL have to offer, and what makes it different? The SL43's external appearance differs from the two 8-cylinder variants in several ways. For instance, the twin tailpipe trim is circular rather than angular, and the front and back aprons are distinct. The new SL was built from the ground up by AMG, the automaker's performance division, and is different on the inside, exterior beneath the hood, and under the skin. Its look, interior, and engine options are all testimony to this. The long wheelbase, the short overhangs, the large bonnet, the set back passenger compartment with the steeply sloped windshield, and the powerful rear end are the distinguishing characteristics of the SL body design. Together with the voluminously sculpted wheel arches and the sizable light alloy wheels that are flush with the outside skin, they give the Roadster its strong, dynamic aspect. The Mercedes AMG SL43's interior boasts an exhilarating hyper-analog fusion of analog geometry and digital technology. The entirely digital instrument cluster, which is built within a 3-dimensional visor, serves as an illustration of this. The basic MBUX infotainment system provides users with various display options and operating modes. The strong wing-like instrument panel is symmetrical and divided between an upper and lower part. The 4 galvanized turbine nozzles are the focal point. Their surfaces take the shape of strong power domes that blend into the instrument panel. The center console flows into the bottom portion of the instrument panel, elegantly joining the two components. Despite symmetry, the layout of the cockpit places a strong emphasis on the driver. The instrument cluster's 12.3-inch high-resolution LCD panel is built within a high-tech visor that eliminates sunlight-induced reflections. When the soft top is open, the tilt of the touchscreen on the center console may also be electronically changed from 12 degrees to 32 degrees to prevent distracting light reflections brought on by various sun locations. Wide ranges of electrical and manually adjustable luxury seats consisting of a combination of Artico man-made leather and fabric are included as standard equipment with the SL43. AMG Sport Seats and AMG Performance Seats with their sculptural designs are optionally available, as are seat coverings in leather, Napa leather, and Napa AMG leather. The trim components and center console are also available in carbon, aluminum, and manufacturer chrome black, in addition to the normal high-gloss black. AMG Ride Control, a newly designed steel suspension system with strong aluminum shock absorbers and lightweight coil springs, comes standard on the SL43. 5 links on the new SL's multi-link front axle are positioned fully within the rim, making it the first Mercedes AMG production car to ever have this feature. All suspension links, steering knuckles, and wheel carriers on the front and rear axles of the new SL are composed of forged aluminum to decrease unsprung weights. Each wheel is controlled by a multi-link design with the least amount of elastic movement. High turning speeds are made possible by the high camber and track stability, providing the driver with the best possible road contact at the high cornering limit. This brings about excellent lateral dynamics, driving stability at high speeds, and cordial response to outside factors like crosswinds, bumps, or changes in friction coefficients. The SL43's front and rear torsion bar stabilizers are another lightweight construction measure. The SL43 has the most recent model of AMG adaptive adjustable damping as an option. The suspension control unit changes the damping force for each wheel in a matter of milliseconds, using data analysis from acceleration and wheel travel sensors. The AMG Dynamic Select driving modes allows the driver to pre-select the default configuration. For example, The handling characteristics can alter at the press of a button from maximum dynamics in Sport Plus mode to smooth cruising in comfort. Additionally, a separate button allows the tune to be changed in 3 stages, independently of the driving modes. The new SL43's driver assistance systems, some of which are optional, keep an eye on the surrounding area and traffic using a variety of sensors, cameras and radar. The clever assistant can act quickly to step in if necessary. The driver is assisted by various new and improved technologies, much like in the Mercedes C-Class and S-Class of today. This is accomplished in real-world scenarios by, for instance, assisting with lane changes, distance control, steering, and speed adaptation. As a result, it is simpler to respond to approaching accidents. The new assistance display in the instrument cluster provides a full-screen explanation of how the driver aid systems operate. In an abstracted 3D manner, the driver may see their vehicle, lanes, lane marker, and other road users, including automobiles, trucks, and two-wheelers there. The operation of the driving assistance systems is apparent as an augmented reality driving experience thanks to this dynamic, high-quality portrayal. The MBUX entertainment system from Mercedes-Benz allows for various operational choices and several digital services through Mercedes Me Connect. Other benefits include the touch controls on the steering wheel, smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, hands-free operation through Bluetooth connection, and digital radio. The new SL is significantly more intelligent thanks to Mercedes Me Connect. The driver can navigate with live traffic information and communicate with other cars on the road via Car2X. In this method, time-consuming traffic congestion may be efficiently avoided. Through Car2X communication, networked automobiles share information about traffic-related occurrences. The vehicle also offers a broad individualization spectrum for a wide variety of client demands, from sporty and energetic to luxuriously exquisite, thanks to the specifics of its vast standard equipment and numerous extra options available. This features 3 different roof color options, 12 paint finishes including the 2 SL-only colors, Hyper Blue Metallic and Manufacture Monza Grey Magno, and several additional wheel styles. 3 external design packages are available to further refine the appearance and make it more elegant or dynamic. Elegant, high-gloss chrome highlights can be added on the front apron, side sill trim and rear of the vehicle, thanks to the AMG exterior chrome package. Selected external components including the front splitter, side sill trims, mirror caps and the trim element in the rear diffuser can be finished in high-gloss black as part of the AMG Night package. You can also have a darkened tailpipe as an addition. This produces stunning contrasts or smooth transitions depending on the paint finish used. Lightweight carbon fiber components from the AMG exterior carbon package bring the SL's racing heritage to mind. The front splitter, the flicks in the front bumper, the trim strip in the side member trim, and other components are made of carbon. The 2+2 seating arrangement, which was last an option on the 4th generation SL, is now available again. According to reports, the back seats in the new generation SL have ample room for people up to 1.5 meters tall, making them ideal for small children or shopping carts. According to Mercedes AMG, a golf bag may be stored in the second row of seats, indicating a specific target market. Seems like quite an impressive car, right? Anyway, what do you think of the new 2023 Mercedes AMG SL43? Is it something you would wish to buy? That's all from this video. See you in the next one.